Hi guys, I go by the name of Depassions. Welcome if you are new and welcome back if you're coming back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing something different to what I usually do, which is cooking videos. If you've been following me or been subscribed to this channel from the beginning, you know that I used to do food videos. Most of the videos have been taken down, but I still have a few on my channel, which I'm going to link in the cards on top. I'm going to create a playlist where you guys can go and view some of those videos. Today I'm going to make peanut butter oatmeal cookies. You're going to need 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, or you can use almond butter or any butter of your choice, and you're going to need half a cup of oatmeal. You are going to need 2 tablespoons of honey, which is also optional. I'm going to preheat my oven at 180 degrees. So the first thing I'm going to do is crack open the egg, then I'm going to add in my peanut butter and whisk until smooth.
Your eyes like the sunshine on my face. It's a good night, how you smells nice on the pillowcase. And I love when I see you walking by. I know that life ain't perfect, but you make it alright. Oh, I see you coming. Got my heart jumping like Jordan. Play me like Spartan, do it all for me. Create a vision of what I like. And I promise I'll be yours. Tell me your joys and your problems. I'll be more than a man for you. I'll be your friend.
I'm also going to add in my honey. Then I add in the oatmeal and give it a good mix until everything is well combined. You can adjust how much honey you do add to your mixture, or if you like it on the sweet side or more of the less sweet side.
And I know God must have really loved me to give me a chance. Oh, I see you coming.
I am then going to grease my pan. I am using foil, but please use greaseproof paper, which will be much better in this case, but I ran out. I am going to separate the cookie batch to about 6 cookies, then flatten down the cookies to make a nice round shape, or at least as round as you can possibly get. After I've done so, I will place it in the oven to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's done, this is how the cookies turned out, and they were absolutely delicious. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed these recipes. If you do want more, then please make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and comment down below any sort of recipes you may have with oatmeal. What do you like to add in it? And if you tried this out, let me know. Make sure you follow me also on my Instagram. I do post some food recipes and some little, stuff that I do make on a random day that you guys can also check out. Thank you very much, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.